So heading out for a wedding in Durango tomorrow, but on the way I'm probably gonna stop at Zapata Falls and the Great Sand Dunes National Park, so I'm excited. That's one of my favorite spots in Colorado. So let's head out. Made it to the Zapata Falls parking lot. Not a whole lot of people up here, so we'll see how many are actually at the falls. It'll be interesting to see it not frozen. This is real pretty right now. Jeez. It's gonna be pretty loud, but almost to the falls. Man, this is beautiful behind me. Wow. Awesome. To see that without a bunch of ice in there. I'll put a picture somewhere from the last time when I was here. But now it is time to head towards the sand dunes. See if we can get any nice color as the sun's getting lower. Hello. Okay, sure. Thank you. dunes. They are fairly steep. Walking in sand. Made it to the top of the dune here. Not the tallest dune. Probably won't have much of a sunset, but that is okay. It's worth it. Whew. Man. Big bank of clouds on the horizon, so probably no sunset, so time to head down and head towards Durango. So long to get up there, and now I'm almost down. Speed. Passing through Del Norte, Colorado, and probably gonna take a quick stop at Treasure Falls right off the highway, because, you know, see what we see. Might not be much of a falls going on up there, but it's really interesting to see the cliffs. I was not expecting such an intense cliff. Ugh. I will probably stop by on Sunday and come up here again in the light, but it was an interesting hike up. There's a lot of fall colors. Well, that's really interesting.